Hello mga ka-Jamix ko pa dyan na yan. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, please don't forget, subscribe Jamix channel. And keep watching until the end of my video. Sama tayo na mag-sightseeing sa Kundo mga ka-Jamix.
This is for viewing. And if you want shoes, you can choose this.
Nice kayo. Oh, may ganito di kayo na free nga kuha na siya. Blind, kuha.
Going the blinds.
Okay naman ang iyang kwarto. Okay ra kayang kwarto. Kani siya mo inikuan kay but you like this one kay it's already.
You can see the outer units.
See? You can
When you can see the model units, letter L.
Ah, it's bigger. Dako mo di ay.
Bigger design, you can if you want to improve the unit.
Mas dinod ganina inyo ma'am no kay kuan gyud siya kaning granite kay ang kuan magud kay kuan granite. Kuan siya kanang bitang kansa singalan ani kanang yung ikuan. Yeah,
it's new, it needs to be cleaned.
if they buy that one, that's the time they will clean that. Yes, but they have know that you are the first. If wala pa ni siya din ma'am no, di ba? Wala pa man ni siya. This is the first like it. It's the inner.
If you rent it out, you gotta furnish everything.
Yeah, everything. Everything in the furniture.
More money.
Yeah, but yeah.
Air conditioning.
But you can budget 100,000 for the but yeah, for the things 100,000.
She talks about money like she's rich.
It's nice, eh?
So left the right, nothing. This is another elevator, sir. With the stairs beside.
Adira.
We will see another.
Dako yun siya, no?
19 story. This is 3 years ago.
3 years
I will
ago.
show you the tower 1 year ago.
Mali siya medyo mahal siya, madam, no? Tsaka, nindot man siya, nindot ang yung kuhan.
Here, you can see the outer units here, sir. This is the outer units.
Oh, nice. Outer units. Oh, nindot din siya.
That building, sir. That building is Radisson Red Hotel, and this is the condo Astia. There in the ground is a mall, 2-story or 3-story mall.
Yeah.
There, that building,
Yeah, this building, and then there is another one there. There's an Oak Ridge.
There's a road. There's a road. I will show you in Tower 1. There's a road going to Oak Ridge.
It's nice.
This is the 3.2. That inner is 3,047,000. The inner.
The inner. The inner is 3.2 because it's outer because kay manindot magulan pang diri kay makasave kag you can save the AC.
How much is that?
3,047,000.
3,047,000.
This is 3.2.
Because it's nice because you can save no need to the AC because you can see.
Why is that one more expensive?
No, this is more expensive.
3.2. That one is 3.47.
Because your view is only inside.
This one is outer. So you can see and you can save the AC. No need to the AC because if you open this one, save the AC. It's nice. Nindot yun ilang mga room, ma'am no? Nindot yung mga room. It's outer. Because You can access the across the road, the Oak Ridge, that lots of convenience store or the store that you want to eat, or like American.
Building, ma'am. Pwede siya mag-building is a building. Siya mall na buhaton. Pwede siya mag-building. Naman na siya road dito. Going to Oak Ridge.
Doon raman balakaw raman ay dali ko ng Oak Ridge.
Familiar ka?
Ako bitang inan siya.